Tao and Banda have eaten impala before, but not often. These agile antelope usually outrun the lionesses, and the meager food reward is not worth the effort of a chase. This herd seems too alert for an ambush, and they've got help. Impalas and baboons share sentry duty. Eyes and ears primed at multiple locations and levels ensure top-notch surveillance. Though no one sees Tao creep closer. Until now. With the alarm raised, the lion's game is up. They won't catch an impala now they've been spotted. Now 18 months old, Tao and Banda's focus is hunting. And they pick up the subtleties of stalking buffalo by watching the lionesses. They control the pace of the hunt, understand that measured calm must balance the energy of an ambush. They hang back on purpose and study the herd for weak spots. Perfect. A straggler, and he's injured. They move into attack positions. Lionesses and cubs are now a single unit. Their adrenaline-fueled onslaught catches the bull off guard. And the support of the cubs gives the lions a weight advantage. Within seconds, they wrestle him down. Both brothers are now experienced enough to help on the kill. Banda stops the bull from kicking the rest of the pride. Tao smothers his cries before the herd can attempt a rescue mission. With so many females around, they both practice without pressure. And when it gets too hard, there's always a mother to take over and deliver the suffocation bite.